Hello everyone, welcome back into another video. Today we will learn how to make a selection for this trees in this image, but without any selection tool in Photoshop. Okay, let's start. First thing, you have to click here and after search for the best one in which you can see the difference between the background and the objective. In this image I took the blue layer. After duplicate it, and double click on it to get this page. Okay, search for the convenient color that make you differentiate between the background and the object. And don't make it over because you will lose the details of the image. And when it's done, press OK, then after press Ctrl followed with a click, it will make a selection. Come back here, press this icon, and press Ctrl+I. Congratulations, here is your selection. That's good.